Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Today we're going to talk about shower systems. There's so many on the market now. Everybody likes the thermostatic valves with the rain head and the slide bar, and people want a spa-like bathroom now. They want to go in there, close the door to the bathroom and turn on the water and just enjoy and relax because our lives are so busy right now. So what we're going to talk about is different shower systems. So what can you put in yours and that's going to make it look great, and the finish is going to be great, and also the cartridge is going to last a long time. So in this instance here we have a thermostatic system. So whenever you get into a two-head system, so if you have for instance, a rain head and a slide bar, then you have to get into a thermostatic. And what that means is that there's a separate temperature and a separate controller. So in this case, in this system here, you turn it to the right, works the rain head, straight up works both the slide bar and the rain head, turn it to the left, works just the slide bar, and then you have it off. And then the small button here adjusts your temperature. So what we find most people say is with this type of system, once they set the temperature, they usually never touch it again. They may adjust it a little bit, but really they'll just go on, and if they like the slide bar, they'll turn it on. If they like the rain head or both, they'll turn them on. So the temperature is already set for you. So it's a little bit more simplified and a little easier user-friendly for a lot of people as well. Slide bars are very practical. They work well. They usually have a really good shower head with them, and it's easy to clean the shower as well. This moves up and down. They do have a 5-foot hose on them, and it's a braided line, so you want to make sure that you get a good quality braided line as well. Some of the old plastic ones, some people have them where they're on a telephone shower and they're all tangled up, and go with a better quality. Spend a little bit more money and get a better one because longevity wise is going to last longer. And the other thing too with the slide bar, get one that has a fairly simple mechanical part. So this one's just a lever, literally on a spring. You move it up and down. If it ever did go, you can replace it. Some of them you have to turn, you have a nut and you have to turn them and slide them and tighten them up. Not the greatest feature because then you need two hands usually to do it, where this is just a single finger as well. Color, still chrome is still the most popular, but style-wise now, it seems that a lot of people are going, this is the Zen, this is called the Zendo here, and it's a square line faucet, still a nice faucet, but this seems to be a little nicer now. It's a little cleaner line, a little softer edge, so it seems to be what a lot of people are gravitating to. So hopefully that'll help you when you're looking for a shower system, and we'll see you next time on Renovation Time.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.